Good morning, Earthlings. We have captured your teacher for this Wacky Wednesday. We hope you enjoy your lessons, but we have a few announcements before you receive your teacher back. She has told us that some of you have not been going on ST Math. If you have not reached 100% on ST Math, please go on and do your 20 minutes. Some of you Earthlings have not been on since March. Another announcement is this Friday's conference with your teacher, Miss San Juan, will be a friendly scavenger hunt. If you would like to attend, it is not required, but it will be at 11 a.m. if your teacher returns. Also, she would like you to know that if you were interested in going to 4th grade ST Math, unfortunately, we will not be able to enter you. So continue with Prodigy, please. That is all for our Wacky Wednesday announcements. Hopefully you will see your teacher come Friday. Goodbye now.